Have you ever wondered if you could remove grid lines completely or only have them on certain parts of each sheet? So to remove them completely, go to View, Show, then Grid Lines. You can see immediately the borders or grid lines are immediately gone. Now if we go to another tab or sheet, we can repeat the process if you want to hide grid lines there as well. So if you want no grid lines or borders, then you're done. If you want to add borders or grid lines for a certain part of the sheet, then you can select one or multiple cells, go over here to the border shortcut, and then you have different options on how you want the border to be displayed. You can select the color here. You can also change the thickness. So let's go ahead and just do a all borders for the moment. And you can see that looks very dark. So if you want to look more like the color on the original grid lines, you can go over here to a gray, just like that. And then if you click off and click back on, you can set a different color or thickness for the outside. So let's change that back to black, and we can do just the outer borders. And if you want a double thickness or triple thickness, you can select that there as well. And so then you can do the same thing if you want another section with borders. And so you can even copy and paste this one by painting format or copy and pasting and do it just like that. And so then you can do multiple sections with the borders without the borders and any of the rest of the tab. All right, so that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.